Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes Benz SLK, a 2012 model. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. But here, if it's on this screen, we just knock it up and select telephone. If it's on Navi, what you're going to have to do is click on telephone over here. But you see there, telephone's highlighted, nothing's showing up, and we've got connect device at the bottom. We knock the rotary control back towards us onto connect device, click connect device, and search for phones is highlighted at the top. So we click search for phone. Now we have to tell it to start search. So that's that done. We'll just watch out for it showing up on the screen and also on the phone. And there you go, it's found my phone. So highlight my phone, click on it. Bluetooth pairing request 776880. Does the passkey 776880 match? Yes, it does. Yes was already selected or highlighted. And do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? Yes, you do. Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected. That's it there, that's it done.